Valentine's Day, America's favorite excuse to buy chocolate, proves to be particularly busy for Evanston's Seville Flowers.
You know, roses mean I love you. I'm sure they mean 8 million other things, but it's safer. And then people are like, oh, I love candy, but flowers is a safe thing, and everybody loves them.
Foucher says that everyone who works at Seville Flowers becomes a jack of all trades.
Really, everybody does everything around here, from cleaning buckets to cleaning the floor to cleaning the flowers to selling the flowers to taking orders to setting up the store, doing the windows, greeting the customers. I mean, everybody really does everything.
Make all the deliveries, make sure everything's wrapped, and then I do a lot of in-store sales actually too, and make a lot of arrangements, bouquets, things like that. Simple.
Mullins says that this year there was a spike in post-Valentine's business.
We had a whole nother busy day on Saturday, which was unnormal. Like last year, nothing on Saturday. We didn't even have any roses. And now we've got about like 2,000 extra.
But you can buy roses at CVS now, but are they the same? No. You know, they've been sitting in a refrigerator for 4 weeks, and ours come off the plane.
Gorgeous. All those other words.
Trying to do different things to get people to come in, like constantly changing the windows out. People walk by and they see different stuff, appeals to them, so they come in.
Foucher says that support from the Evanston community is what keeps Seville Flowers and the Valentine's tradition alive.
All that it's been here for 75 years because of the people, in town, and the students and the local businesses, and everybody's got to cut back, but nobody really seems to be cutting back on Valentine's Day.